Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review between these two CRM tools platform, which is Zendesk and Freshsales. So in this review we're going to dive into the pros and cons about these two CRM platforms to help you decide which of these CRM tools can be a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Zendesk and Freshsales, they both aim to simplify customer relationship management, but they take a different path. For example, Zendesk focus mainly on sales and support integration, offering a clean interface and a quick setup together with a strong reporting tools. It's great for teams that want a simple, dependable CRM without a steep learning curve. However, it can get pricey on some teams' growth, and customization options are somewhat limited. Talking about Freshsales brings more automation and AI power to the table, with more like 3D AI for lead scoring, built-in calling, and multi-channel communication. It's ideal for growing business that relies solely on workflow and automation. Still, integration can feel limited, and its advanced customization isn't as deep as competitors' own. So, in my opinion, Zendesk wins for easy to use, while Freshsales edge ahead for smart automation and scalability. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.